Hey guys, we're up to my favorite number, 11. I can't even fit it on my hands anymore. But we're doing probably the least most favorite thing of all of us. We're doing the chores today. But I want you to use doing your chores as a chance to discover more about yourself and how you move. Let me get my broom. Got my broom. So how do you go about sweeping? Do you grip tight when you're sweeping? This also works for vacuuming or any kind of chore. How tight do you grip the thing you're using to do your chores? You can grip lightly, use light grip. And then how do you actually go about moving the broom? Actually, I need to move you to another spot because I'm not going to be able to show you. Do you sweep by using just the arm? Maybe use two hands, or you just use just the arm. Or do you use the upper body and you kind of twist through your spine? Or do you, I may pull this down, move from your pelvis? Next time you're doing your chores, try it out and discover how you actually wield your broom. And like yesterday's, try with the other hand. Give it a go. Which hand do you prefer to sweep with? Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can check out all of these movement tips for Mad Movement Month. 11, if you didn't know, is my favorite number. Everything's 11 for me. But we are doing probably the least most liked thing for all of us. Blah.